Hey students, I'm Dr. Angie Paccione, Executive Director of the Colorado Department of Higher Education. As many of you finalize decisions on where you want to attend college, I want to tell you about how Colorado is investing in your education. If you're planning on attending a private or public college in Colorado, here's your opportunity to receive a stipend for every credit hour. That's right, a stipend which is essentially free money the state will give you toward your tuition so that you pursue a degree here in Colorado. The College Opportunity Fund, or COF, is a program that provides a stipend the state will pay on behalf of an eligible undergraduate student attending a participating college or university in Colorado. Currently, Colorado is paying $116 per credit hour for public colleges and $58 per credit hour for private colleges on your behalf. Don't leave this money on the table. It's there for you. If you are 13 or older, you can go online and apply. You only apply once to take full advantage of this benefit. This application is hassle-free and is just a two-step process. The first step is to create an account and apply on the COF website by clicking on the big green Apply Now button. The second step is to give the selected institution authorization to bill COF. You can complete this step on your institution's student portal. After completing these two easy steps, the state and your college will take care of the rest. To learn more and to apply, visit cof.college-assist.org. Here we go.